Are you struggling to stay focused? Ditch the brain fog and discover why matcha is the ultimate drink for powering through your day. Matcha tea is not just a trendy drink, but it's also fantastic for enhancing focus and mental clarity. Whether you're a student, busy professional, or just someone looking to stay sharp, matcha might be exactly what you're looking for. What is matcha? Matcha is a type of green tea that originates from Japan. Unlike regular green tea, where the leaves are steeped and then discarded, matcha is made by grinding young tea leaves into a fine powder. This powder is then whisked into hot water, creating a frothy, vibrant green drink. Because you're consuming the whole leaf, matcha has more nutrients than you'd get from regular green tea. The power of L-theanine. One of the main reasons matcha is so special is an amino acid called L-theanine. This special amino acid promotes the production of alpha waves in the brain, which creates a state of relaxed alertness. This means that matcha can help you stay focused, but it won't leave you feeling jittery and anxious. A balance that's hard to achieve with other stimulants like coffee. L-theanine works together with the caffeine that is naturally present in matcha. This duo creates a balanced energy that enhances your focus and concentration without the dreaded caffeine crash. Your increased energy stays smooth and steady all day long, keeping you sharp during long study sessions or intense work days. And for all of you meditation lovers out there, matcha enhances mindfulness and focus, qualities that have made it a favorite among monks for enjoying long meditation sessions. Antioxidant powerhouse. Matcha also has powerful antioxidants called catechins that protect your cells from damage. The most potent of these is called EGCG. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, which can contribute to faster aging and various diseases. But what does this have to do with focus and clarity? Well, antioxidants can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, which improves cognitive function and mental clarity. By drinking matcha tea every day, you're supporting your brain health, improving memory, and even reducing the risk of diseases such as Alzheimer's. So, matcha isn't just a short-term solution for mental clarity, it also helps to protect your brain over time. Improved memory and learning. Research shows that the combination of caffeine and L-theanine in matcha can boost cognitive performance, especially when it comes to memory and learning. This makes matcha a great option for students or anyone wanting to sharpen their mental edge. It's perfect for tasks that need sustained focus and brain power, whether you're studying, tackling complex problems, or diving into creative work. If you've ever dealt with brain fog, adding matcha to your routine can also help you feel more focused and mentally sharp. It tends to clear up those mental cobwebs. Stress reduction. In today's fast-paced world, stress is one of the biggest obstacles to maintaining your focus and clarity. The L-theanine in matcha tea can help you feel calm and grounded, yet alert in high-stress situations that require focus and clear thinking. It replaces the anxious, stressed-out feeling with calm, laser-like focus. Enhanced mood and well-being. Feeling mentally clear isn't just about focus. It's also about mood. Matcha can boost your mood thanks to the calming effects of L-theanine and the stimulating effects of caffeine. Together, they create a balanced state that leaves you feeling positive, alert, and ready to take on the day. In fact, many people who switch from coffee to matcha report feeling less anxious and more emotionally balanced. This improved mood translates into greater mental clarity because you're able to think more clearly when you're not bogged down by stress or negative emotions. Detoxifying for overall health. Matcha offers a wide range of other health benefits that can contribute to your overall well-being too. One key benefit is its ability to detoxify the body. Because matcha is grown in the shade, it contains higher levels of chlorophyll than regular green tea, which can help your body eliminate toxins and support liver function. A healthy body supports a healthy mind, and drinking matcha regularly can help keep both in great shape. How to incorporate matcha into your routine. The best part about matcha is how versatile it is. You can enjoy it traditionally by whisking the powder into hot water, or you can make lattes, smoothies, or even mix it into baked goods or oatmeal. If you're new to matcha, start with small servings to see how your body responds to its effects. So, whether you're looking to improve your concentration, reduce stress, or simply enjoy a delicious and nutritious beverage, matcha green tea is a fantastic choice. Matcha's unique combination of L-theanine and caffeine, along with its antioxidant-rich profile, makes it a powerful drink for focus, calmness, and overall brain health. So, the next time you're reaching for a pick-me-up, consider skipping the coffee and brew yourself a cup of matcha tea and experience the magic of matcha for yourself. Please like, share, and subscribe and comment below on any topic of natural health and well-being you'd like us to explore next.